Hi friends, this is Excel Guru and this query asked by one of our friend in one group. So here I'm going to share the solution with two things. One is from Excel 2010 and Excel 360, Microsoft 365. Right, the two things. From two things, I'm going to show you the solution. Watch carefully, watch till end. And here is the screen which I'm going to share. Yes. Only difference is comma. Here comma is not there for 2010 because we have to keep comma between the values. Okay, here in text join there is an option. In concat there is no option. For that reason, it is showing like this. Okay, here first of all I will show with 2010. Okay, see. We have to do. What are the things we have to use for this? First of all, I want to ask, is there any number in this range? I like to know. Okay, I like to know, is there any number in this range? If yes, yes, it is there. If it is there, then we have to pick up these things. Okay, I'm freezing this one. F4, comma, if false, empty. That's it. But it will not work. F9, it will show us there like this, but it will not work. So we have to make it work by using one function that is concat. Concat. Okay, only concat function. CAT. Concat function where it combine the values without any delimiters. Okay, without any delimiter, it will concat the values. Only concat, I'm saying, not concatenate. Okay, only concat. This function is available only in licensed version of Excel 2010. Close parenthesis. Okay, that's it. Now see, without delimiter, it will show. Without delimiter is not there. But it will join all the values wherever it finds the number, see, 2 and 5. If I enter any value over here like 1, okay, here 5, no 5, 7. See, where BC, BC already there. No? Okay, I will add this one, 12. See, ABC. Okay, this is 2010. Now, coming to P65. Okay, now, it's very easy. You have to, first of all, you have to use one function that is step join. Here asking which delimiter is there, you have to enter. We have to make it join those values by this delimiter. I'm showing the comma. Ignore empty. Yes, ignore the empty. I just clicked on tab, so it will pick up the first occurrence in formula. Okay. Comma text. Here is the magic you have to use. If is number, the same formula. If is number, select this. Okay, close parenthesis, comma. If it is true, pick up this one. Okay, comma, if value is, that's it. Enter. Here false is coming. See here false is there. Okay. See, why it's showing false? Let me check. Logical text, value true. Okay, you have to remove this bracket from here and keep the close parenthesis here. That's it. Okay. Now, I will ask you one question that if it is having any characters like AB. What will happen? Let me check. Nothing. C, okay, not here. I'll type C here. C. Nothing happened. So you have to make it and let me know when is it characters. Number means okay, we have to pick up. When it's character, how you will do with 2010 and 365. Okay, guys, the both things I'm asking you, 2010 and 365. Thank you, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.